Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your account email. This is necessary. Once done, go straight to Settings and choose Security. Toggle on two-step verification and pick an authentication method, Authenticator app or SMS. If you pick an app, install Google Authenticator or Authy now. If you choose SMS, make sure your mobile number is current and able to receive texts. Start the selected flow. The system will either display a QR code or send a numeric code to your phone. Follow the prompts to progress to Step 2. Once you scan the QR code with your Authenticator app, it will immediately start generating 6-digit codes. Note that they refresh every 30 seconds, so act quickly. If you used SMS, wait for the 6-digit text and enter it into Roblox to confirm. Make sure to save the provided backup codes in a safe place or add a secondary phone number for recovery. This prevents lockout if you lose access to your primary device. After verification, Roblox will show confirmation. Keep that screen until you complete the final step. Finish by signing out and testing login to ensure the second factor prompts properly. This confirms your setup works. Make sure you store backup codes offline, like in a password manager or printed paper, and never share them. If you lose access to your Authenticator or phone, use a backup code to sign in immediately. If backup codes are gone, submit an account recovery form and provide proof of ownership. One quick troubleshooting tip: verify device time settings. Authenticator codes fail when time sync is incorrect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.